What's good everybody, Jordan here from Tech Talk Today. I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you the House of Marley Positive Vibration 2 on-ear headphones. Alright, so to get these ones, you can get them from bestbuy.ca or your local Best Buy, and they'll cost you $80. So they have powerful 50mm drivers that steer the rich sound and deep bass response to make your playlist come alive and keep you completely immersed in your music. And these headphones are made from recyclable, earth-friendly materials, so that's always a good look. Aluminum ear cups with large ear cushions provide a comfortable experience even during extended listening sessions. Inline microphone with one button remote lets you take calls and control of your music. Durable cable is wrapped in braided fabric to avoid tangling. Foldable design makes it easy to stash these headphones in your backpack. And then once again, they're constructed with earth-friendly materials like recyclable aluminum in order to reduce waste. So yeah, these are pretty good. Let's get into the headphones. Alright, so here they are. Positive Vibration 2 on-ear wired headphones. So on the back, aluminum, as I said. Comfortable on-ear design, removable tangle-free cable, which is really nice, so you can change out the cable. Inline microphones, one button remote. Yeah, same stuff from the website. And here's the website, bobmarley.com. Some more information. So these have been opened already, but I'm just gonna re-unbox them for you guys so you can see what the unboxing experience is like. So you just peel off this plastic at the bottom, slide this open, like that. Like that. Slide open the plastic insert. Put this to the side. Cable, pretty standard. Back to the side. There's the cable. That's to the side as well. Yep, so nice white braided cable for this color, which is the silver and white. These come in a bunch of different colors, which I'll have linked below. So there's the one button on the remote with the House of Marley branding. Yeah, so this is braided, so it shouldn't tangle, which is always a good look. L shape on one side, straight on the other. Yeah, pretty nice cable, decent length. Definitely long enough to reach from your pants to headphones. Keep your phone in your pocket, like most people do, in your sweater pocket, squeeze as well. So then, headphones themselves, super light. The quality's not the best, but that's pretty standard with House of Marley. Their emphasis isn't on like stunning design, it's more on like sustainability and helping the environment. But these are nice and light, fabric on the top, some nice foam on the inside, foam ear cups which feel pretty comfortable, and they slide up and down, so they'll fit your head no matter how big it is. Most likely. Have some Marley branding on both sides, Marley on the inside, and then the headphone plug right there, plug in the cable, which I'll do now. Just like that, fits right in. Yeah, so these are pretty noise cancelling, and they're not the most comfortable in the world, but they'll do the job for $80. Yeah, so just plug in your phone. Unless your phone doesn't have a headphone jack, in which case you'll need the adapter, such as the Razr phone, the new Pixel phones, or the new iPhones. Hashtag dongle life, please. I have a Samsung Galaxy S8, so I still have a headphone jack, so I just plug it right in. Yeah, let's test out the sound of these headphones. Alright, so I'm gonna test these headphones with my usual test song, which is Forgot About Dre by Dr. Dre from Crown of 2001. I always choose this song because it has good highs, good mids, good bass, lots of variety of instruments, vocals, all that good stuff. So it allows me to test the headphones pretty well, you can see what they can do. Alright, let's try them on. So I've got them at 50% volume and they're pretty loud. Yeah, so these sound pretty good. Play pause button works. Double tap for next song. Triple tap for go back to the previous song. Yeah, these sound pretty good. Yeah, for 80 bucks they got good bass. They're nice and loud, even at 50% volume. Eyes pretty good. They're not as obviously as good as my Sony MDRs, which I'm going to be doing a full review on soon, so stay tuned for that. But they're also a lot more money than these, so that's kind of expected. Yeah, if you're looking for a pair of cheaper on-ear headphones, these are pretty good. Yeah, so as usual, I'll have the links all down below, and make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff. Check out my website, which I'll also have linked down below. Yeah, just watch this video. I'll be back more soon. Peace.